हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मेरे चैनल का नाम टेक्निकल नूर है। यहाँ पर मैं आपके लिए मुख्तलिफ किस्म के टोकन्स और वेबसाइट्स लेकर आती हूँ जहाँ आप अपनी रकम को इन्वेस्ट करके बहुत सारा बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हमारी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पर टिक कर दीजिए ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली मेरी हर न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। तो दोस्तों, जो मैं आपके लिए आज वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूँ बहुत अमेजिंग वेबसाइट है जिसका नाम है catgirl.io। कैटगर्ल, collect catgirls and earn. Catgirl creates an in-depth entertainment platform consisting of digitally injured collectible catgirls. User can truly own catgirl and verify their ownership on the blockchain with customizable catgirls NFTs coming soon to our catgirl ecosystem. We will bring a multitude of ways to allow our users to express themselves and earn rewards. Neckovers. How do you earn by using Catgirls and Catgirl NFTs? Nakovers has got your code with a range of different methods. You can utilize your Catgirls and Catgirl to earn time while having fun. NFTs marketplace, collectible Catgirls NFTs, player 2, Catgirls merch and mystery box. सबसे पहले हम NFTs फार्मिंग को ऑन करेंगे। It's time to put your catgirls to work. Send your catgirls to the farm where they can make you profit with high APR returns. The higher your catgirls NFTs NYA score rating, the higher your reward. Coming soon. Marketplace. Marketplace, a one-stop shop where you can buy or sell catgirl NFTs. Not only can you purchase catgirls here, but you can also partake in catgirls auctions or even host one. Get ready to expand your collections along with the rest of the bustling catgirls coin community. Marketplace coming soon. Collectible catgirl NFTs. Expand your collection by marketing in our seasonable catgirl release and collect unique and beautiful designed catgirls NFTs. Make sure to look forward to our future release of customizable catgirl NFTs. These one of a kind catgirl NFTs will give you the ability to address them with a multitude of adorable outfits and accessories. The possibilities are endless. Check out our white paper for more details. View white paper. दोस्तों, हम white paper पर क्लिक करेंगे। Catgirl coin introduction. The ultimate enemy cryptocurrency, Catgirl plans to take lead in the crypto space by utilizing enemy trends and gamification. Intro. Catgirl's coin was officially launched on May 31st. Our team had spent a long time brainstorming and researching what we could bring to the cryptocurrency market that our cryptocurrencies have not done before. That's when we realized that the NFT market was virtually untouched when it comes to enemy related content. The enemy world has a massive presence on the internet, and the amount of fun and engaging content that we will bring to the table is endless. This is why Catgirl come to life and all of our goals and dreams were sent into place. दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। प्ले टू अर्न। Use your currently owned original catgirls to craft new customizable catgirls and accessories. Then use them to participate in our upcoming games and earn awesome rewards. The possibilities are endless. Playing to earn is coming soon. Catgirls merch. Ready to show off your catgirl pride? We can help with that. Choose from a variety of pieces of clothing and accessories to sport and wear around town. Catgirl merch is coming soon. Mystery box. Mystery box. The mysterious box of Catgirl Wonder is our gacha system in which you can obtain Catgirl's NFTs. Try your luck and obtaining high rarity Catgirls to show off in your collections. And well, as high NYA score catgirls to aid in more profitable farming by Mystery Box. Common Mystery Box. Season 1 of the Mystery Box sales are now closed. Keep an eye out for the release of our marketplace, where you will be able to buy Season 1 NFTs. What rarities, insights, drop rate. Common 80.99%, rare 14.5%, epic 3.5%, legendary 1%, possum 0.1%. Rates slightly increase when buying with Catgirl's coins. Catgirl in this box may Kita, Hana, Celetis, Missy, Catgirl coin information and links. White paper, coin market cap, audit coin Gco, liquidity log, Catgirl swap, medium theme songs. Season 1 current season Genesis Catgirls NFTs are limited within their seasons. Our Catgirl mystery box utilize what we call seasons to determine which Catgirl are currently obtainable. You can only obtain certain Catgirls via the Catgirls mystery box during their respective season and only will be able to add them to your collection through the marketplace afterwards. Every season has a new batch of Catgirls. For every new season, a new set of newly designed catgirls will be released, except to see catgirls of all sorts of shapes, colors, and sizes with varying and unique personalities and bios. Collected them all. Nico states 4.3 403,447 total catgirls born, 8 collectible catgirls and growing, 200k plus catgirls coin holders. Claim airdrop. Airdrop mystery box. No airdrop currently available. Please check back later. What rarities inside drop rate? Common 60%, rare 35%, epic 5%. Catgirl in box. Lisa, AOI, Rin, Catgirl coin. Information and leaks. White paper, coin market cap, audit, coin Gco, liquidity log, Catgirl swap, medium theme song. दोस्तों हम इंटरनेट ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम पर इनके साथ ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं बाय मिस्ट्री बॉक्स कॉमन मिस्ट्री बॉक्स सीजन 1 ऑफ द मिस्ट्री बॉक्स सेल्स आर नाउ क्लोज कीप एन आई आउट फॉर द रिलीज ऑफ आवर मार्केट वेयर यू विल बी एबल टू बाय सीजन 1 NFTs. What rarities inside drop rate? Common 80%, 80.99%, rare 40.5%, epic 3.5%, legendary 1%, possum 0.1%. Catgirl in this box: Mei, Kita, Hana, Celetis, Mitzi. Catgirl coin information links: white paper, coin market cap, audit, coin Gco, liquidity low, Catgirl swap, medium theme song. दोस्तों हम ये इनके साथ भी ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम और टेलीग्राम पर ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं फाइंड अस ऑन Gate.io, Bitmark, Lbank, Hotbit, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, Booked Finance, and DEXT. Donate Catgirls Devs. If you like our work and would you like to support us, you can send your donation to this address. Any token is just accepted. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर सपोर्ट दोस्तों में यहाँ पर एक लिंक दिया गया जिसे हम कॉपी करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं कैटगर्ल कॉइन इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड लिंक्स वाइट पेपर कॉइन मार्केट कैप ऑडिट कॉइन जीको लिक्विडिटी लो कैटगर्ल स्वैप मीडियम थीम सॉन्ग्स दोस्तों हम इंटरनेट ट्विटर और टेलीग्राम पर इनके साथ ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं अब दोस्तों मैं आपको 3 लाइन्स के बारे में बताऊंगी 3 लाइन्स Mystery box, airdrop, the token, soon marketplace, and farming are soon. दोस्तों, हमारी आज की वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होती है।